How to fix Instagram couldn't share post to story in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, scroll, go to the apps manager, go to apps, and then it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Just wait and then scroll down, click on Instagram. Click on notifications management, make sure to enable all the notifications, go back, click on permissions, make sure also to enable all the permissions right here, go back, click on the data usage, and this is the most important part, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled and the mobile data also. Click on force stop, click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you might be having a problem with the network or the Wi-Fi on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.